How to make custom emojis on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Messages application on your phone. You are now in the Messages page. You can view all your messages over here. On this page, go to the top right corner and tap on the new message icon. Now, tap on the plus icon as shown. You can type in the name of the people you want to send the message to from here. You can select more than one person if you want. After selecting, go to the text bar below and tap on the emoji icon in your keyboard. Then, tap on plus icon as shown. From here, you can create a new emoji. You can change your emoji skin, hairstyle, browse. Once you're done, tap on Done above. Go to your new emojis from your keyboard. As you can see, you have successfully created this emoji and can now share them with your friends. Following these steps, you can easily make custom emojis on iPhone.